Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to export your Chrome passwords on your PC. Exporting your passwords can be useful when you want to backup or transfer them to another device. Let's get started. First, open up your Chrome browser. Look for the three dots located at the top right corner and click on More. A drop-down menu will appear. Next, click on Google Password Manager. This will open up the password management settings. Now, within the Password Manager settings, click on Settings. This will take you to the additional options for managing your saved passwords. Under the Export Passwords section, click on Download File. This will initiate the process of exporting your passwords and saving them as a file on your PC. And there you have it. You have successfully exported your Chrome passwords on your PC. Remember, it's important to keep this exported file secure and only use it for backup or transfer purposes. That's all for today's tutorial on how to export Chrome passwords on your PC. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.